A family can be hard to define. On paper, it's marriage, adoption, or your bloodline. A functionalist will examine functions, dysfunctional too. Let's say, for example, incest and taboo. Conflict theorists focus on inequalities in married life, like uneven power between a husband and a wife. Let's compare and contrast perspectives of a man and a woman. Symbolic interactions, I think that they can. Courtship, marriage, children, love. This is what the family life cycle is comprised of. Diversity in family is dictated by social class and race, not ethnicity primarily. There's more diversity in the USA, such as one parent, blended, and gay. When it comes to family, what are two major trends? Waiting to have kids and not being married still and moving in? Right now, what's the current divorce rate? 50% to a quarter of 8. How do people really take divorce? It's hard on parents and the kids, of course. What are the two sides of a family life? People finding kids and marriage on the side that's right, but on the other side, the dark side, talking about abuse, spouse battering, child abuse, and incest too. So what about the future of family and marriage? I see less people getting married, but still becoming parents. And it's just a parent. The facts are all coherent, but these are just facts. No one seems to be concerned with.